a fruit salad you'll love. Check out this recipe and let me know your thoughts. Don't knock it till you try your fruit salad. Yes, you saw the greens and I'm adding it to this fruit salad. It is so refreshing, and I'm just getting my fruit chopped up. So you could buy a small thing of strawberries, even though I ate a couple. And then I have 2 kiwi and 1 mango, although I wish I'd have had 2 mango. And it's all organic, I have to say that. And so I'm just getting it diced up somewhat small, and there's a reason for that for this salad. So I'm getting that in my bowl, and that's just my strawberries, my kiwi, but we're not done yet, and my mango. And so I had some frozen mixed berries, which the recipe calls for just fresh berries, but I had these frozen, so I thought this would be a great addition. Plus I can use the juice from them in the salad. And yes, that's parsley. And I finally diced that, and that's some mint that I'm sprinkling, and that is a whole lemon. Then I'm going to get 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice. Part 2, y'all, the last part. And that's me mixing everything together. But yes, I added some pumpkin seeds. You can leave those out. And just a little bit of honey. Get that stirred in. Then we're going to put it in the fridge and work on. Yes, I am making some crispy cinnamon coconut sugar chips. I was so surprised how nice these came out. I wasn't sure about it. This is the first time I tried it. Sprayed them with avocado oil, and I mixed together coconut sugar and cinnamon and got it all mixed up. I sprayed and coated both sides with the cinnamon sugar, tossed it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes in my oven on 375, and y'all,